Walking like the king of the crowd, rocking blue suede shoes, not afraid to be loud. I'm a masterpiece, hey, look at me now. Like a true artiste, I'm gonna paint the town, and I'll do it my way, my style. Gonna wear it like I'm self-titled. Too hot to call it mild. Can I get a vibe check? Feeling good, looking good, and we living our best, yeah. Can I get a vibe check? Knock, knock, wanna guess who's there? It's the embodiment of Renaissance and flair. Walk with the grace of a royal air, like sun in your face, don't mind the glare. I'm just trying to express myself, not making statements. Now don't y'all get obsessed, but can I get a vibe? Yeah. I'm magnetic, aesthetic, I'm hard to define. Nah, I can't help it, I'm different, I don't even try. Cause I'm eclectic, electric, ain't boxed in by what you expect. Nah, can I get a vibe? Check. Yes. Feeling good, looking good, and we living our best. Yup. Yup, yup. Can I get a vibe? Check. Dressed to impress, there ain't no special effects. Something's cooking in the kitchen, compliments to the chef. Yeah, dressed to impress, there ain't no special effects. Something's cooking in the